he fix it?
Bill the Builder.
Yes, he can.
Hey guys, Bill here from Bill the Builder. Today we're going to show you how to get water out of your Xbox. So if you do this, la-di-da-di-da. Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, a plant. Oh, this plant needs so much water. Wait, this is my Xbox! And this is the life hack, people, on how to fix it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a mallet. And see, I have Bob with me today.
Hello.
He's going to teach me how to do this.
So, you got your mallet?
No, I'm teaching you how to do this. So the first thing you're going to do is kill your... I'm kidding. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Xbox. And now, if you don't have a hammer, you can just grab a screwdriver and cut it, and you can see it'll be opened. But if you do have a mallet, everything falls off. So then the next thing you're gonna do is unscrew all the screws that are already unscrewed, and then you take them off. And then, as you can see, the main water source here is infected by water, and oh, see, there's still water coming out. There's water inside of this thing. Now you can see the DVD drive also is now gone. So and now as you can see, so you grab this thing, bend it over like this, shake it a little, and then Bob will show you how to put it back together.
Can I smash it?
No, Bob.
Okay, so first, get my sleeves up. Do this. Okay, so you put this back on. Really easy. Now it's back on. And then you get the heart. The heart of the Xbox. Move that over there. Put that right there. Sleeves are falling down. And then you put the heart. The second heart. Pound that in. Then you get that pounded in. And then you put this back on. Really good. Yeah. So. And then.
Alice, my name's Bob Bill.
So. Then you just put it back together like that.
Alright, this is part 2. Oh, we had some minor inconveniences, such as deck is now brown. So now, here we go.
Hello.
Bob will show you how to finish it off. Hit it with like a really strong thing. And that is how you fix it. The Bill way! What I do? And that is how you fix it the Bill way. Now, okay, so first thing you gotta do to enter the, free Xbox, PS4, and Blue LMG Fortnite FIBA gift card giveaway, all you gotta do is sub, like, comment, buy all of my merch, and then give me your dog, give me your cat, give me your, deck, give me your money, give me your hockey stick. You know what? Even give me your children. And all